Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a really long time since I've filmed any type of video on here, and I want to say I'm sorry. I have been traveling. I was down in South Florida, a little bit north of Miami, taking pictures for 3 months. So from pretty much the time I posted that last Snapchat tutorial to like 2 weeks ago. So I've been really busy, and I was still going to be down there, but coronavirus happened, so now everybody's quarantined, but you know what, it's okay, it's all for the best. So yeah, so that happened. I had a blast. I loved Florida, really want to go back. It's just amazing, the people are so nice. And so before we get into the video, also go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and leave a thumbs up as well as a comment. And also my Instagram is @NatalieSudo, and my photography Instagram is @NatalieSudoPhotography, and my Snapchat Lens Instagram is Creatives by Natalie. So I have 3 Instagrams, but I only have 1 Snapchat, and my 1 Snapchat is InSudo, and InSudo is where you will find all of my Snapchat lenses. So yeah, so those are my Instagrams, those are my socials. I also have a Twitter, but I don't really use Twitter that much. So yeah, it's been a long time. Thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. What the heck? I had no idea that my channel would get to 1,000 subscribers. Mostly because it took me forever to even get like any subs at all. But all of a sudden, it's just kind of blown up. All of my Snapchat videos have done pretty well. My first video is almost at 50,000 views, which is absolutely insane. And my other ones are at like 4,000 and like 7,000 views, I'm pretty sure, which is absolutely crazy. But yeah, I hit 1,000 subs last night, and I'm so thankful for that. It's absolutely insane. Thank you guys so much. That's so crazy. That was pretty big. So because I hit 1,000 subs, I thought it would be a fun idea to do a Q&A. Now, I did do a Q&A a long time ago. I was watching it. It's actually on private, so like, yeah. But it was very cringy, so hopefully this one will be a little bit less cringy. So like 20 minutes ago, I asked my Snapchat people, I asked my viewers on my Snapchat stories. I'm also admin on a bunch of people with public profiles, so I just added that to their pages too. So overall, I have a lot of people viewing this YOLO, so hopefully I got some good questions already. So yeah, so we're just gonna go over them. So some of them are really interesting. So how old are you? I am 19. My birthday is December 12th. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that's down in the description of my videos, how old I am. But yeah, my birthday is December 12th. So yeah. What do you do for a living? So as I said earlier, I'm a professional photographer. I basically go and I do senior pictures, portraits, horse and rider photos. I'm mostly an equestrian photographer. I also do influencer work and product shoots and white backdrops and sports photography. I pretty much do everything I can. I want to kind of be an all-around person. I'm also trying to get into videography, so I just want to do like everything. But yeah, I'm a professional photographer. What's your favorite Netflix film series? So I'm kind of partial. I really love The Vampire Diaries, and one of the reasons is I've been to The Vampire Diaries like sets twice because it's in Covington, Georgia, which is a little bit of ways from where I'm from. So I drove to Covington after a horse show because, once again, that's what I do. I take pictures at horse shows. And I drove to the set, and it was so amazing because I got to see like the Mystic Grill and like all the like, oh my god, all the amazing places. So yeah, my favorite TV show is definitely Vampire Diaries. Do you like grapes? I actually hate grapes. Like, it's one of the only fruits that I will not eat. Are you a dog or a cat person? It really depends on the dog, but I'm mostly a cat person. What is your favorite movie? My favorite movie would honestly, here's the thing, I don't watch that many movies. I only watch TV shows, and I think it's just because I love getting really into something. So when it comes to movies, it's like really hard, but I do love horror films. I loved Pet Sematary. I thought that was very well done. How are you dealing with coronavirus? Currently under quarantine. I haven't left my house in 5 days, 6 days, 7 days. I don't even know. I've lost count. You should teach us how to do your makeup. It's really pretty. Okay, so here's the thing. I don't really wear that much makeup. Right now, I am very, very tan. Usually not this tan. I'm usually very pale. As you can look back in my old videos, when I'm tan, I don't wear much makeup at all. Right now, I use the Clinique ID BB cream. It matches. So I use that. That's all I use on my face, and some bronzer and blush. And then for my eyes, all I do is a little bit of brown eyeliner and mascara all around, and eyebrows. Yeah. It's a full face of makeup, but it's not. Like, it's very natural and it's very like nice looking, and it's very easy to do in the morning because it takes me like 5 minutes. Have you done a filter with Bryant? No, I have not, but I really would like to. So Bryant, if you're watching this, I'd love to do a collab with you. I love your stuff. I love your photography. Oh, Bryant, yo, if you want to collab, I'm down. What made you start making filters? Why did I start making Snapchat filters? That's an excellent question. Honestly, I think it was 4 in the morning when I was just like, it was one of those like midnight thoughts that's like, yo, how do you do this? I just pretty much went on like an internet dig. So I watched a YouTube tutorial, pretty sure, and I have major horse girl energy, and I made it as a joke for my photography following, because my photography following is like 22,000, and so I was like, hey, this would be fun, you know, and it eventually blew up, and it got, I think, 50,000 views, which, to be completely honest, is not a lot for me anymore, but at the time it was absolutely insane. And so I was like, oh my god, I gotta keep doing this, like, holy crap, like, people are using this, what the heck? And so then I started making just a bunch of random ones, just a bunch of like emoji crowns. I feel like most lens creators, when they start out, that's what they do, is they do emoji crowns. So right now I'm currently working on learning 3D, so like with Blender and like things like that. Are you single? Yes, I am single, guys. This has been asked multiple times. What kind of content do you make? I don't know, guys. My content is a mess. It's a mess. You know, I want to do everything, guys, and honestly, I cannot do everything. I'm like one of those people where I'm like, I have to be good at everything I do. Do you have a tutorial on the color correcting filter without Photoshop or Lightroom? If not, could we get one? So no, I do not have one. However, you do not need to have Photoshop and Lightroom, as I thought you had to have. Pretty much all you need is the PNG file, so like the PNG base table thing that Snapchat offers, and then all you have to do is add your filter on top of that. It has to stay the same exact size. You can't crop the picture at all, but you can add it to like VSCO and like all that stuff. So there is a way to do it without Lightroom and Photoshop. And what's this whole admin thing? I don't understand. So admins are when you have a public profile, you can allow somebody else to add to your story. So if you can't post or something like that, or if you have friends that just want to post, they can like add you to it. So you can post whatever you want, pretty much. It's just like having a group story, except it's their public story. How tall are you? I'm 5'5". I'm pretty short, but I'm not pretty short. I'm very, very average, guys. However, I would like to be taller, as most people would, but I am 5'5". What's your favorite color? I love purple. End of discussion. Purple's amazing. Celebrity crush, David Dobrik. 100%. He's Hungarian. I'm Hungarian. Well, he's from Slovakia, but he said on his podcast that he's Hungarian. So like, yo, dude. Favorite song? I love Anything by Hozier. My friend makes music, so I like his stuff a lot. But yeah, I love Anything by Hozier. Do you have a TikTok? Yes, I do. It's at Natalie Sudo. Well, alrighty guys, so that's all the questions that I'm going to answer for today. If y'all want a part 2 or anything more specific, I can totally do that. But yeah, so hopefully y'all enjoyed this Q&A. Yeah, so once again, all my socials are in the description. And then I also have a YouTube channel, which is this. So make sure you subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, you know, let me know what y'all want to see. And then, yeah, so thanks so much for watching. Alrighty guys.